Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you so how to fix issue on your iPhone when you just facing up with the issue that you can't when you just I will show to you, for example, like this one. So when you just open App Store, you see you must connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data network to access to the App Store. So after that nothing happens. So first thing, mostly it happens when you just have any internet connection on your phone. So first thing, just try to check your internet connection. So just tap on Wi-Fi, just go to Wi-Fi settings. Also you can check here your Wi-Fi connection. Also you can try to restore Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try also to restore a phone. So just you can try to go to the settings, just open the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power phone again. So just simply restore phone. And the latest option you can try to update phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here web update, just tap on download and install and wait until it was successful. So the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.